Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol from Undisputed Marketer, and if you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on YouTube and you want to learn how to make money on JVZoo. So in this video, we're going to dive deep into this topic. We're going to talk about it in great detail, and we're going to cover the most important things for you to learn in order to really earn money on JVZoo. So in this video, we're going to cover the two most important parts when it comes to making money on JVZoo. And first of all, it is the choosing the right product and choosing the right strategy to implement into your business. So let's dive into it, and let's start with our first point, and it is the choosing the right product. Now, a lot of people don't really take time to really choose the right product. They just skip this part and choose whatever the product it is, or even worse, they are changing the products even every day or so, or every week or so, and so on. However, if you want to really succeed with this, you gotta choose one product and stick with it, because when you are changing constantly the products, people are getting confused by the whole range of products you are promoting, and they are not gonna buy, because confused mind is never gonna buy. So choose one product and stick with it. Now, how to choose the right product? First of all, you gotta think about your audience. Now, the audience is basically the people who you are going to present this product to, right? So if you're going to promote a product from JVZoo, bear in mind that JVZoo products are mostly in making money online category niche, right? So think about people who are interested in this topic. So don't go over and just promote everywhere, because obviously if you're going to promote making money online product to people who are interested in health products or gardening or cooking or whatever else it is, they are not gonna buy, and you're just gonna waste your time and money and energy, whatever it is, right? So think about your audience that you are going to present it, and choose the right product. Now, if you already got your audience, then the next step is to literally choose the correct product, choose the actual product. Now, how to choose the right product is actually very, very simple. Go into your JVZoo account, and there will be option for the whole product list, the every product that JVZoo basically offers. And I think it's a product list called the option on the top bar menu. Now, when you get into your product list, check two columns. There are several columns that you are going to see, but there are a few columns that are very important for you to look for. First of all is the refund rate. Now, a refund rate is basically the percentage of people that ask for a refund, and that literally tells you whether the customers are satisfied with the product or not. Now, stick with around 3%. Don't go above 3% refund rate. I wouldn't go higher. 1%, 2%, 3% is a good refund rate. And the reason behind that is very, very simple. You just if you already made the sale, you want to keep that commission that you've earned, right? Because if a customer asks for a refund, they will basically take away your commission that you earned for that particular sale. So obviously you want to keep that commission, and on the other hand, you want people to be successful. You want your customers to be successful with the product that you promote, right? Because that basically creates and builds out your reputation as an affiliate marketer. Now, the second column that I like to use is release date. Now, release date basically tells you whether the product is either a brand new product that is on the market for a very, very short time, and not many affiliate marketers are promoting it, and very few customers have seen this offer. So you will get that that freshness into the market. Or on the other hand, you can choose a well-established product that has been on the market for quite some time, and you can see that there is a low refund rate, quite a lot of sales. That basically tells you that the customers are very well satisfied with it, and there is still huge demand for that product, right? So again, there is no right or wrong in this way. You can choose whatever you have. Both have their pros and cons, so just choose whatever fits your business, fits your purposes better. And then if you've chosen the product, then what you want to go for is literally check the product offer. Now, when you want to check the product offer, you basically click on the title of that product, and in that offer, you want to go for the sales page. You want to check the sales page, how it looks like. The sales page is basically what the customers are going to see. In JVZoo, it's called view JV page, and it is literally the sales page. So at that sales page, you gotta check for a few particular things, and you want to see if this is a right fit for you. Now, it's not, you know, a rocket science to look for, but there are a few things like some few red flags that you gotta check for. If it is a product that is, you know, able to deliver what they are promising, that's a very first thing to look for. If there are any, you know, outrageous statements, or, you know, some statements like become an overnight success, or earn 2 million in 2 weeks, or something like this, right? Some outrageous statements and so on. And also, you know, if it is a good product for your audience. Again, check for the product itself, what it is offering, and if it is a good fit for your audience. Now, if you already gone through this and you are satisfied with your product, then the next thing what you want to go for and check is the actual sales funnel. Now, a sales funnel basically means that once you make the sale and the customer buys the product from you, they are going to be offered additional products or upgrades by the product owner once they sell. So there is no additional work on your side, but the product owner is going to offer them additional products. And now when they are going to, when the customer buys some of these upgrades, you are going to get a commission as well. Now, with commissions on JVZoo, most of the products, I would say 90-95% of them have around 50% commission, also for these sales funnels. So you want to check for these sales funnels if they have quite a good number of these products, like these upgrades. And if so, what is the commission and what is the price point of it? It should be, you know, some products that have also higher ticket value, which means they are basically higher priced, right? And so that allows you to literally earn more commissions from one particular sale. Now, when you got your product, this is basically it, guys. So we've covered the choosing the right product. So you have a product that has a low refund rate. It is either well-established product or brand new product on the market. It is a high-valued product for the customer itself, and it has a great sales funnel for you as an affiliate marketer. Now it becomes the very key to the success in affiliate marketing, and it is a strategy to implement. When it comes to strategy, you gotta think about how are you going to promote your product. Are you going to just splash the affiliate link all over the place? Are you going to spam it all over the Facebook groups and on different forums, on different social media stuff and so on? Are you going to create a capture page and then after they opt in, send them straight to the sales page, right? Which is basically what 90-95% of affiliate marketers do nowadays, and it just doesn't work. I'm going to give you literally the strategy that works, that I use, and it just made me wonders. The key to really succeed in affiliate marketing is to actually put something inside or between your capture page and the sales page. So you've got your you got your capture page, you've got your sales page, and you put inside or in between something, which means it's like called something like a bridge page, right? And so in this bridge page, you gotta offer something to the customer that they are seeking, that basically solves the problem, the problem they are looking for, right? And basically the best practices in this is either, you know, recording a short video of yourself, or if you are a little bit shy with video, then you can just create an animated video, whatever it is. You can find it on internet, or you can use maybe an ebook. You can use some download articles, some download books, ebooks, or some other stuff that you can get them for free, and then after they do it, there you will put a small option for them to, if they are interested, they will be able to also buy your product that you are promoting. Now I found that once you do this and you give literally value to these customers, something magical happens, and it is called, what I like to use is, you build the relationship between you and your customer. Because understand that, you know, first of all, when the customer sees your capture page, they don't know you, you don't know them, and they're a complete stranger to you, and you are a complete stranger to them. However, if you keep the relationship between you and them, if you keep in touch with them, if you keep giving them value, they will first of all start to know, like, and trust you. And these three things create literally the relationship between you and the customer. And once the customer becomes very much, you know, ready to buy something, because, you know, different customers, different tastes, and each customer has, you know, different time when they are ready to buy, because not everybody is going to be ready to buy straight away. So once they become ready to buy, you will be the first, or among the first people they are going to buy from, because they know you and they like you. So listen guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you got lots of value from it. And listen, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to really learn this stuff properly and make it your long-term business, then I highly encourage you to click the link below in the description. I have created a free 4-day video series for all of you guys, where I talk and where I teach you exactly how to implement this kind of strategy that we just talked about, and how you can implement it in your affiliate marketing business, how you can get successful with affiliate marketing. So this is it guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and just go ahead, click the link below, sign up, and if not, then I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.